Welcome to another Essential RC flight test. Today we have the Eachine E119 from our friends at banggood.com. Now this is a little tiny fixed pitch helicopter, so it's kind of really ideal for real beginners. If you've never picked up the controls to a heli before, this is a good start to learn your way around the kind of controls of a helicopter. And also it's great fun for an experienced pilot that maybe wants to fly something around the living room at Christmas or in his back garden, etc. But it's not a stunt helicopter, so this can't fly upside down or do loops or rolls or anything like that. And it's stabilized by a 6-axis gyro in this case, so it's quite stable. You can take your hands off the controls and it should, we haven't flown it, it should stay in one piece and just kind of hover around without moving around too much. So without further ado, let's give it a fly. The one thing to point out with it is if you put full forward in, it won't continue rotating forward, it will just, that is full forward, it will just fly forwards. And the same as if I put full right in, it will just turn, it won't flip upside down like a collective pitch helicopter. And it is very stable, so I could catch this in my hand quite easily. So there we go, the Eachine E119. It's really good fun to fly around. I mean, it's certainly no kind of 3D model that an experienced pilot would maybe want to fly, but for a beginner or for someone that wants to fly it indoors, these are great indoors. They probably fly indoors better than outdoors because they're fixed pitch helis are always susceptible to a little bit of wind, so if you're flying in any kind of breeze, the heli will pick it up. But apart from that, great fun. You get everything you need in the box with these. You get the transmitter, you get the helicopter, you get the batteries, you get the battery charger, obviously the helicopter itself. All you need to do is put some AA batteries inside the controller. Check out the link in the description below on Banggood's website. I'm sure you'll be quite surprised at how cost effective these things are, and yeah, give one a go.